Is that a bug or a feature?
It's a feature.
We're in Anana LMC for our Scratch Club. It is a coding club. Scratch is a computer program that's user-friendly, teaching children the intro to coding. Scratch works in blocks, so the children move the blocks to do certain commands. So you don't have to type in the code manually, you're just using the blocks to create the code.
The crab is the player, it has the most code. This codes this button because when left arrow key pressed, point in direction -90.
We partner with UW Computer Science Program and their professor Peter Kirschman.
My name is Connor. I'm a student from UW-Madison. I am a facilitator at the Anana Scratch Club, and there's 2 other people that help me as well. We work with the kids to teach them Scratch, and we're here teaching them how to use it and make them independent so they'll be able to play with it on their own and learn on their own.
These are young college students and they're coming in here and they're ready to work. Without them, this wouldn't be a thing.
Ooh, here's a problem. There you go. See, that's a good debugging technique. One of the most rewarding parts of this club is seeing them learn and seeing them grow. After the activities that we've done and after the learning that we've done, every kid's been able to learn something and make something. It's just fun to see them learn and smile, and it's awesome.
Today they're working on their final projects. So their final projects, it could be a game or an application. They've been working on it for a few weeks now, so we're coming down to the wire.
I'm not quite done with it yet, but it's about a dinosaur, so I have to start him like at here, and then it switches here, and then that happens.
I think it's important to learn coding at such a young age because it gives them a head start in a world that is dominated by coding and applications that use coding.
It's imperative that we teach children the fundamentals, especially if this is something that they want to use in the future. A lot of children love to play games, but this is teaching the recipe of how games and other fun computer applications are created. The Scratch Club is a voluntary program. If your children show any interest in coding, a career path that they might want to pursue in the future, this is definitely a good introduction. The Reach teacher before me did this, and I've just wanted to keep the tradition going.